Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program that uses for loop to print multiples of 3 using the range function. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable n and use the input function call to ask a user to enter the ending value or ending number. So this up to this number, so we'll be trying to print the multiples of 3. So let us try to convert it into an integer. So now let us try to use the print function to print the multiples of 3. So let's say multiples of 3 up to given value, that is n is. So in the let's use a list comprehension method. So where we try to take the multiples of 3 using the range function, that is x for x in. So let's take a range. The starting range will be 3 and up to n, and we are trying to give the step as 3. Yeah, so this is a complete two-line code to print the multiples of 3 using the range function. So let us try to execute this. So enter the ending value. So let's say I need up to 20. So you can see multiples of 3 up to 20 are, so this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Yeah, so I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.